How's it going everyone, Space Life here. In today's episode we're going to be picking some of our sweet corn. It's looking really good. I'm not sure if you can see it, just over there. But first, we noticed a little strawberry down here. So it's always nice to pick yourself a little snack just before you pick even more tasty vegetables or fruits. And it is well good. I'll give the other half to my girlfriend. So yeah, if you follow me over here. You can see some of our sweet corn. It's always quite satisfying to take off. We might as well grab a few of these. Yeah, I'll show you inside one of these corns here. It's like you're unwrapping a present or something. To speed this bit up, but you can see there, that is a really nice looking sweet corn. Yeah, we might as well pick the rest. Don't know, do you want to pick a couple?
I'm just going to pour.
So my girlfriend's going to pick the rest of these sweet corn, and it's always best to pick the sweet corn before the insects can get to it. You can see here, these ones have started, this little black fly, but they can't quite get through the layers, so we will be picking this now. And you can preserve these quite well as well. If you boil these, then you can freeze them, reuse them anytime you want. But yeah, these have done really good this year.